Hey guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Brittany, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My channel mainly focuses on beauty, hair, a little bit of fashion, and a little bit of luxury. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some recommendations to pick up at the upcoming Sephora VIB sale, which starts November 5th and ends on November 15th. So if you guys want to see my recommendations, then obviously make sure you subscribe to my channel and then keep watching. Starting off with skincare and body care first, my first recommendation is this product right here, and this is the Skinfix Resurface Plus Renewing Cream. So the reason I decided to pick this product up is because, as you guys know, we are nearing the end of 2021. Winter is definitely coming, and it is starting to get very cold outside, especially where I'm at. It's definitely starting to get cold, and my skin is feeling it. So recently my skin has started to get a little bit dry, a little bit of flaky, and I've even had some dry patches on my skin, and I wanted a product that wasn't just going to hydrate my skin but also nourish it at the same time. So I decided to give this product here a try, and what I've liked so far about this product is it has definitely improved the overall appearance of my skin in a matter of weeks. My skin feels softer, it looks smoother, my complexion is a little bit even on my body, like any dark marks I have significantly lightened since using this product. So I would highly recommend if you're looking for something that's not only going to be hydrating but also nourishing for your skin for the winter. My next recommendation is actually a body care set from the brand Necessaire, and it is their Body Ritual set, which comes with 4 travel size products from their skincare line. And the reason I decided to pick up this set was because I was super interested in trying Necessaire products, and I saw it on Sephora.com and I couldn't say no. So this product features, or this set features 4 travel size, I keep wanting to say full size. It features 4 travel size products, including a body wash, an exfoliator, a body lotion, and a serum. So far I've really been loving this set. I've actually had it for about a month now. In about 2 weeks of having it, I picked up a second one because I like to keep this set in my shower and then the other set in my travel bag. So what I've really been liking out of this set so far has been definitely the body wash. So this is not your average body wash. This actually is infused with vitamins, so it gives you that skincare and body care in one, and you only need a small amount, and it gets you super clean and smells pretty good. And then I've also really been loving the Necessaire body serum. Like this, I swear, is like a game changer to my body routine or my body care, whatever. This is game changer. So this is like, you know how you put a serum on your face but for your body, obviously. So how I like to use this product is I actually like to mix it with whatever lotion that I'm wearing, because it just makes my skin feel a lot softer, even more hydrated. Like this is fantastic. So I would definitely recommend picking up the Necessaire Body Ritual set. It's a great way to try out some of the products and figure out what products you like from the brand. My next recommendation is this product right here, and this is by First Aid Beauty, and this is their KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So you guys may have seen this product online. I feel like it may have even had a viral moment, but it is great. It is worth the hype. It is amazing. So the reason why I decided to pick up this product is because basically the front of my thighs had these little tiny bumps. And basically my thighs were not smooth, and I wanted my legs and my body basically overall to be smooth. So I decided to try out this product, and interestingly enough, I actually picked up the travel size because I was giving it a try, and this was $10. And as you can see, like, this is like gone, like it's empty. So I decided to pick up the full size, and I have been loving this product. You only have to use it about 2 to 3 times a week in the shower, on the targeted area, and you will definitely notice a difference in your skin. So if you have bumpy skin, or if you have bumpy skin, I would definitely recommend giving this product a try and picking it up during the sale. My next recommendation is this cleanser right here, and this is the Dr. Zenovia 10% Benzoyl Peroxide Acne Cleanser. So if you don't have acne, you can skip past this recommendation. But recently my skin has just not been messing with me recently. I don't know what's been going on. I don't know what I ate, what I drank, what I did. But I had cystic acne bumps. I had whiteheads. Like, my skin was going through it. And nothing I was doing was working. So what kind of drew me to this product was Dr. Zenovia has or specializes in hormonal dermatology. Okay, and as you know, when your hormones are off, your skin be acting up. So I decided to give this product a try, and I can honestly say I saw immediate improvements in my skin. I even decided to go ahead and get the skincare set, which comes with the moisturizer and the spot treatment, but I just picked those up a few days ago, so which is why I'm not featuring them in this video. But if you're struggling with acne, hormonal, normal, cystic, whiteheads, all of that, I would highly recommend trying out this cleanser and even the system. My skin has definitely started to clear up significantly since I've been using this product. So I would highly recommend picking up during the sale. So my last skincare recommendation is this one right here, and this is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. As you guys just heard, I had to pick up an acne cleanser because my skin was tore up. Like, I had bumps everywhere. So now that my skin has started to simmer down and calm down, I obviously need something to get rid of the dark marks. I definitely have a huge one, like right here on the bottom of my chin. It is huge because I had a huge cystic, well, 2 cystic acne bumps there. And since using this product, I have definitely seen a difference in my skin. I'll continue to use it, and hopefully my skin will continue to improve, but so far so good. Would definitely recommend picking up if you're trying to lighten any dark marks. So moving away from the skincare and body care and into my makeup recommendations, this next recommendation is actually going to be a fusion of skincare and makeup in one product, and it is this product right here, and this is the YSL Glow and Balm. So what this product is actually a hybrid of skincare and makeup in one, and it's actually a priming moisturizer. So what I like so far about this product is it's very lightweight, it absorbs really quickly into the skin, and it just gives your skin a really nice, like, natural glow. So this product can be worn on its own just as a moisturizer or a glowy moisturizer, or it can be worn under makeup for 24-hour wear. So I tried the product out today. I have it under my makeup right now, the makeup that you see before you, and I think this product is great. I didn't notice any peeling, any like weird things going on with my makeup applying this underneath, and really my skin has just been feeling super hydrated since I've applied this product. So if you're interested in trying the YSL Glow and Balm, I would definitely recommend picking it up during the sale. My next recommendation is a foundation, and it is this foundation right here. This is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. Now, if you guys watched my eyebrow tutorial video that I probably did a couple years ago, you know that I really love using the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer to clean up my brows. So they came out with a foundation, and this is actually the foundation that I'm wearing right now. And I think this foundation is beautiful. Usually I'm not the biggest fan of Nars foundations. If you're familiar with Nars foundations, you're supposed to apply them actually with your hands. Not a sponge, not a brush, but your fingers to really warm up the product. But I really like this foundation. So what I like about it is the coverage. So it's a medium to full buildable coverage foundation, and it is definitely buildable because it covered all of my dark spots. I didn't have to do any color correcting or anything like that. Like, I literally applied this with my beauty blender sponge, and I feel like my makeup came out great. So I've actually had this product a little bit over a month, probably like 2 months now, and I've only worn it a few times, but so far I have been loving this foundation. Like, I feel like it just gives you that soft, matte, without being like too matte, like flat look, and it just really looks pretty skin-like. And the colors I feel like are really good, especially for Nars. Sometimes I feel like the colors can be a little bit too warm, but I feel like the colors are spot on, the formula is spot on, and if you're looking for a new foundation to try, I would highly recommend this one. My next recommendation is also another foundation, and this is the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Foundation. If you've been watching my channel or have seen my channel, well, I've basically been inactive for the past few months, I did do a review on this foundation. If you guys want to know all of my thoughts and want to see me applying this foundation, definitely watch that video. But I would highly recommend this foundation. It retails only for $20. And it has skincare benefits as well. It is a medium buildable coverage and looks super skin-like, and just, I don't even know how else to describe it. It's a really good foundation and a really good price, and definitely worth picking up during the sale. My next recommendation is this product here, and this is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. And what's interesting about this product was I actually picked it up after it launched like 2 years back and hated it and instantly returned it. But what made me decide to try this powder again was one of the celebrity makeup artists that I follow on Instagram. Kevin Long loves this powder. And if you see like the beats and like faces he does and how beautiful and smooth and just amazing they look, you would pick up the setting powder too, okay? So I really have been loving the setting powder. It's really finely milled, it's really nice and lightweight. You can bake with it. I'm not huge into baking, but I really love pressing this powder in with my Beauty Blender sponge, and I feel like it just gives me a very smooth overall complexion, under eye, wherever I put it, like airbrushed. So if you're in the market for trying a new setting powder, I would definitely pick this one up during the sale. My next two recommendations are actually lip products, and they are both from the brand Merit Beauty, and they are these products right here. These are the Tinted Lip Oils in the shade Au Naturel and Marrakesh. And Au Naturel is more of this kind of like peachy nude-esque color, and this one is more of a pinky color, and these I think are great. So basically they're similar to lip glosses without the stickiness or the thickness. So basically they are tinted lip oils, as they say, but they're pretty pigmented, super lightweight, and very hydrating on the lips. I really like to keep one of these in my purse. I actually like to keep Au Naturel in my purse and a brown lip liner, because I just really like the look of just a nice lip liner and throwing this on top. Like, it's super nice, super comfortable, very wearable, and very pretty as well. So if you're interested in trying out some new lip products, I would highly recommend trying out the Merit Beauty Tinted Lip Oils. I actually did do a video on these as well in a huge like makeup unboxing video. So I'll be sure to link that video in the description box below or in the cards above. Moving on to the fragrance recommendations. My first fragrance recommendation is this product right here, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. Now, you might be familiar with Sol de Janeiro because they came out with Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and that smells divine. But this smells so good. So this is, again, their hair and body fragrance mist, and this one is in the scent Black Amber Plum and Vanilla Woods, and it smells so freaking good. If you love the smell of vanilla, you will definitely love the smell of this. I don't even know how to describe it, but it just smells, I'm like a little bit of fruitiness, a lot of vanilla. Like, I'm not a fragrance reviewer, but this smells so freaking good. You can spray it as much as you want. It definitely sticks to the skin, it sticks to your body. Like, it smells so good. So if you want something that's just gonna make you smell really nice, I would highly recommend picking up this fragrance mist during the sale. My next fragrance recommendation will probably be no surprise, especially if you watched my fragrance video that I did a few months back on my channel, but it is this one right here, and this is Vanilla Woods by 7 Virtues. And this has quickly become one of my favorite fragrances. I love this fragrance by itself, and I also love layering it with other fragrances. It literally just smells like vanilla, but it's like something special about this vanilla. I'm not sure what it is. It says Okay, no. It doesn't say. I was like reading because there's some information on the back of the label, but this just smells really nice, really warm. I don't know if I can pick up on any of the woodiness, but it just smells delicious. If you love vanilla fragrances, you will probably love this as well. If you want to see more about this fragrance, you should definitely check out my perfume haul, where I don't even know if that was a haul. I don't know. It was just basically my most complimented fragrances. So if you want to learn more about this fragrance, definitely check that video out. But definitely think about picking this one up during the sale as well. My last recommendation for the VIB sale is this product right here, and this is the Nest Madagascar. Oh my god, I'm getting tongue-tied. The Nest Madagascar Vanilla Perfume Oil, and this smells so good. As you guys can see, I definitely love vanilla scents. Like, I love sweet gourmand fragrances, and this one is amazing. So some of you guys may or may not know, but perfume oil or fragrance oils last longer on the skin than eau de parfums because they are more concentrated. So this lasts so long on your skin. Like, it's on your skin all day, it's on your skin when you go to bed, but it smells so good. If you like vanilla, which I have said 3 times now, you will love all 3 of these scents I have recommended you try. So the reason why I decided to pick up the rollerball for this perfume oil, because the full size was actually $90, and I wasn't sure if I would love it enough to spend $90 on it. So I decided to pick up this rollerball, and it is fantastic. Similar to my Vanilla Woods, I really like to layer this with other fragrances. I've layered these 2 together. I've layered this with my Black Opium. I layer this with anything I can get my hands on. It is delicious. So if you're interested in trying perfume oils, or you feel like your fragrances don't last as long, I would highly recommend trying the Nest perfume oils, specifically this one if you like vanilla. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my VIB sale recommendations. If you decide to pick up any of the products that I mentioned in this video, be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will be sure to put all of the product information in the description box, as well with links in case you guys want to pick them up during the sale. Now, don't forget the sale starts on November 5th and ends on November 15th. So you have a little less than 2 weeks to shop the sale. So make sure you pick up all of those products you've been waiting to get so you can get that good discount, okay? And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hopefully more content will be coming. I'm trying to get back on this consistency thing, so we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed.